Welcome to the channel. Another 50mm lens that I am not dissatisfied with. What strikes me is that the best results can be achieved wide open. But that's something I always prefer to create beautiful bokeh. Wide open in the center, fine soft sharpness that is not hard-edged but still sharp. Another lens from the thrift store for €10. This lens will later be included in one large comparison test, but this can take years. I haven't stopped collecting yet.